Wagwan guys, today I'm going to be talking about AirTM that is used by freelancers and people in countries like Nigeria to move money and make international transactions, to get dollar cards, to withdraw funds, and to create US virtual bank account. So just go to your app store or play store to download AirTM, and after downloading AirTM you let it load on your phone, and once it is available on your phone you can begin to sign up. AirTM actually helps you receive global payment. It actually helps you to exchange from one currency to another, send money abroad, and you can also send crypto and gift card through AirTM, and you can also liquidate same. And you can use it to withdraw money from Upwork. And I was talking about a particular platform recently, and a survey site. It's one of the ways that some sites actually pay out money as an option to Payoneer. So here is me signing up my AirTM account. You can actually slow this video down. So I'm getting the verification code to confirm my email. Then I'm inputting my data, my name, my last name. It's going to request those information of yours. You just fill in the detail as fast as you can. Ensure you fill it correctly, and by the time you're even done filling it, it's going to show you the option to confirm, to verify that your information is correct. So I fill in my phone number on this, and then the code is sent, and then I verify the code on my phone. So this is me just confirming things. So successful activation of the account. So this is not the end. The account has been created, but I need to get a virtual card. I need to get a virtual bank account also. I need to secure the account. So we are going to do all that. So you can click on this to open virtual account. So do you want a virtual Euro account or US account? I want a virtual US account. So I'm going to click on US virtual account and let it load. So you can see complete your verification. So I need to verify. I need to do my verification. So I click on verify now, and then it takes me to this page. So it's saying that I need to do this to get standard access, so I can send payment, I can open a US account, I can earn. Okay. So it takes me to personnel, and then it's showing me terms and condition. We read this. You can pause the video to read that. Begin verification, that's what I click, and then it brings me to this page telling me it will take about 15 minutes. And my country of government ID is Nigeria. Then you can fill in your information, your source of fund, your purpose of account, and other details like what range of amount do you earn, what is the purpose you want to use this AirTM account for, are you receiving funds like that. And tap on continue. Tapping on continue, it loads and take me to this page where you have multiple options, but for this demonstration I am using my passport. And then it brings you to this where you can actually place it asks you to confirm that you want your phone to get you want AirTM to have access to your phone, sort of. So I put my passport under it, and then ensure it aligns with that square. Now it's processing. Then now I take the selfie verification. That means you can activate your camera and then take a selfie. At some point it would ask you to move your head or to the side. And congratulations, I'm done with my verification. So I have standard access, but now it's still in review, as you can see here. So it's saying I can get virtual account now. So yeah, I'm checking out the withdrawal method, the way you can withdraw funds. So that's why I'm clicking on this. So it's just, I'm clicking on withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, it will show you options of these options, but for the purpose of this I'll be choosing bank. Okay, so bank. So it's going to ask you what country is the bank you want to withdraw to. Mine is in Nigeria, so Nigeria dollar account or Naira account. I'm choosing Naira account. If I'm using my domiciliary account, I would have chosen dollar. Okay, so now how much do I want to withdraw? I don't have any money in this AirTM right now, but I would just write $50 for this illustration. So it's showing me what $50 will give me in Naira, and then I just type in, it's showing me 64,000, and I just type it in, and that's out to withdraw. I can easily withdraw. So now I'm on my desktop to continue this. So what I want to do now is my authentication to protect the account. So I'll be using my Google Authenticator. Then it gives me this. I put it on my Authenticator. Then my Authenticator gives me this code, which I put here and validates the Authenticator. I'm clicking on add payment method. I'm putting bank. So I click on the bank and it's asking me what bank do I want to put. So I'm choosing Nigeria. So I'm using Kuda Bank for this purpose. And then I entered my Kuda Bank account number. And then the bank has been added. So what else are we going to do? Just look around. Yeah, you will still, after the verification has been done, we open an account. You click on this, open US virtual account. Then you click on start now. And then it shows this page. So it's creating my US virtual account. I think when it's ready, I'll be notified. And now it has created my US virtual account. So here are the details of my account. The account number is right here. So I can copy my account number and send it to my prospective client or anybody that wants to send me money, or add it to my Upwork, or use it on platforms like SurviveMo. I did a video on SurviveMo some few days ago. They have the option of withdrawing through PayPal and then AirTM. So I prefer to use AirTM. And okay, yeah, I hope this is clear. So we have come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you've not. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.